Welcome to one of the leaders in solar technology. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you how we manufacture world-class solar inverters that provide reliable energy solutions for homes and businesses across the globe. From precision assembly and robotic testing to final
It all begins with sourcing the finest components. From circuit boards to heat sinks, every part is meticulously tested to ensure the highest quality before assembly.
Every inverter undergoes thorough electrical testing. We check voltage, current, and safety features to guarantee optimal performance and reliability under real-world conditions. Our final quality control process ensures that every inverter meets our strict safety and performance standards before being approved for shipment.
Raining it faster with workers and represented core drill. In the final stage, we add protective casings and display screens, ensuring each inverter is ready for the next step in its journey.
Once fully assembled, the inverters are packed securely, ensuring they arrive safely at their destination.
Orders. From here, our inverters are shipped worldwide, providing clean, efficient energy to homes, businesses, and large-scale solar installations.
Fronius solar inverters are installed across the globe, helping power a more sustainable future, whether it's a small residential installation or a large solar farm.
Our dedicated research and development teams work tirelessly to improve efficiency, longevity, and incorporate smarter technologies into every product. From reimagined inverter designs to advanced energy storage solutions, each innovation is tested, refined.
Fronius inverters are at the heart of the clean energy movement, helping reduce carbon footprints and accelerate the global transition to renewable energy.
Fronius, driving the future of renewable energy with every innovation, powering a cleaner, brighter world.
With every inverter, we're shaping a more sustainable future, empowering homes, businesses, and industries with the clean, renewable energy they need.